So you walk in, and as soon as you walk in, you have the bathroom, spacious, hand wash, lotion, and you have body wash, conditioner, a nice glass shower, has a curtain. There's actually not a full door, so it's just a curtain, and there is this mirror slash door. There's Adam, so you can see. Then you walk over here. It has a little desk area, which is nice because I have to do some work. TV, simple bed, little nightstand. It does have a fridge, which is nice, and a safe, little drawers, and then some closet space. So it's not very big, but it really will do for what we're doing here this weekend. And then I don't think we have a fancy view. You can see the sphere a little bit on the side, but that's about it. That's the room.
All right, so now that you saw the room tour, let me talk a little bit about our experience and if I think it's worth it. So number one, as you saw, the room seems pretty comfortable for two people. We felt like it was spacious. It had everything we needed. It also had like a little refrigerator, which was great for us to just store food and snacks there. We were there for 4 nights and we were there during a festival weekend. So we paid a total of $1,100. And I know that may sound like a lot, but when there is festivals or concerts, especially over the weekend, prices in Vegas tend to go up. And that was one of the most affordable hotels that we saw. I'm sure there were other cheaper hotels, but we did also want to stay somewhere where it was nice and we felt comfortable. So the LINQ worked out pretty well for us. The room, like, I felt like it was comfortable. It had everything I needed. The bed was comfortable. I think that is like a huge thing. If the bed's not comfortable, then obviously that's just, it ruins everything. But the bed was really comfortable. It had an area for me to do some work because I was working while I was there, and it was just spacious. So we thought it was perfect. We were in District 3. They have 3 different towers. So our tower was the farthest one from the strip, but that worked out really well because you didn't hear a lot of noise. So that was really good for me. I don't really like, I know it's kind of weird, but I prefer the quiet areas. Also, our elevators to get to a room weren't as crowded as Tower 1 and Tower 2. So that was really nice. The hotel does have different restaurants and casinos, obviously, at the bottom. We actually did not eat anything there. We did not buy anything there. And that's just simply because they don't have a lot of vegan options. So you can get like snacks and drinks, pizza and cake, because they have like a deal with Cake Boss. So if you're into that, this is a hotel for you. Check-in was super easy. We did everything just remotely. They have kiosks where you can just automatically check in. You don't need to talk to anybody. It prints out your keys and you're all set. Same thing with checking out. You just drop off your keys in this little thing that they have at the front, and you just check out on the app and you're all set. So for us, that was really great. We only had to call the front desk once, and that was because we could not find the remote for the TV, and they ended up bringing us one. But that was like the only minor thing that we experienced. So overall, I think that staying at the LINQ was worth it, especially because I know that weekend prices were really, really expensive, and having like a nice hotel to stay was, something that I wanted to make sure it was like, it didn't have to be super expensive, but I wanted just something where I felt comfortable and safe. So that was, one thing. Location, I thought it was key, right in the middle of the strip. So for me, it worked out pretty well. They do have a gym, a pool, and a spa. Unfortunately, we were busy doing other stuff, so we did not check it out, but I did hear that the LINQ pool is not super big, but they do tend to have like a party vibe. So if you're into that, obviously that would work really well for you. And another thing that I can say about the LINQ that I really did enjoy, when it is actually right next to Flamingo, and there is in between those two hotels or casinos, there is like a strip of shops, bars and like In and Out and other restaurants. So that's really nice because you don't need to walk too far to access like other entertainment, other shops. So I personally had a really good experience. I would recommend it if you are looking for a budget-friendly hotel that is not too far north or too far south from the Strip and has, you know, decent rooms that have everything you need. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.